and welcome back to the next part of the Santana build. As you just saw, I'm building gun carriages. This is the finished product without the gun, obviously. So I got about 30 of these to make. I'm using the Metz number 60 Humbrol paint to get the red color. So yeah, and then I need to paint the guns black or gunmetal or some sort of. I'm gonna try it out, some different colors, and see what I like. For the ship, needs to be just a little bit cleaned up, and then we need to varnish it. I might put some black nails in the rubbing streaks, just to get more detail out of it. I haven't yet decided, but obviously if I do, I'm gonna film it, and then once the nails are in the rubbing streaks, I'm gonna varnish the ship. Yeah, and as you saw from the shot that I made, the figurehead is all painted gold. I'm gonna give it some wash so I can get some more details out of it. So yeah, that's basically it. I know that the videos are far between, but I'm doing the best I can with full-time job and family and work-life balance and stuff like that. But rest assured, the videos, they are coming. They will continue to come, just not on a scheduled basis. Yeah, anyways, thank you very much for sticking around, and thank you very much for watching my videos. See you again next time. Bye.